We've all seen what AI can do. But what if AI could build AI? We call this concept AI squared, a revolutionary concept brought to life by our platform, USI AI-OS. It begins with BDD, behavior-driven development. Using a simple given, when, then structure, you write the rules of your application in plain, natural English. This BDD becomes the definitive blueprint. Our platform then assembles a dedicated team of AI agents to act as your development team, reading the BDDs and autonomously bringing your vision to life. Our architecture agents can automatically build any domain-specific AI agent or application. First, start with your BDD. Next, transform BDDs into a technical blueprint. Then, design the user experience. After that, craft the secure, efficient APIs that power it all. And now, watch as the Smart Order agent comes to life. And this is the Smart Order, an AI application built by AI and deployed for its first mission in Orlando. Let's see how it understands complex, conversational language with our first user, Jenny, a business traveler in a hurry. First, she uses his voice to place a standard order.
Welcome. What can I get for you today?
I'd like to order 1 signature beef burger and 2 lattes, please.
Got it. 1 signature beef burger and 2 classic lattes. Anything else?
You can see the AI assistant understands the full order and confirms it instantly. But she changes her mind. Even with an ambiguous command, the AI understands her intent.
Change the 2 lattes to 2 small Coke Zeros, and add 1 Oreo ice cream sundae, please.
All right, I've changed the 2 lattes to 2 small Coke Zeros and added 1 Oreo ice cream sundae. Is there anything else?
Jenny gets exactly what she wants and quickly places her order.
Your order have been placed.
Now, let's meet Yuna, a tourist from Japan visiting the very same Orlando location. She's not confident with her English. First, to feel more comfortable, she switches the interface to her native language. The application instantly provides a familiar interface, but the real magic is how she can interact with it. Instead of struggling to find the right English words, Yuna simply speaks in Japanese, asking for a fries and in Coca-Cola.
ゴールデンフライドポテト、ミディアム1つと、クラシックコーラ、ミディアム1つでお願いします。
フライドポテトの M サイズを1つとコカ・コーラの M サイズを1つですね。ご注文ありがとうございます。
Watch this. Even though the system's location is set to Orlando, the AI understands her Japanese, correctly adds the items to the cart. And here is its true global power. As we switch between languages, this is not just translation. USI AI-OS generated the entire experience for each market, the UI, currency, business logic, and the global readiness. This level of deep localization was defined in the initial phase, making the application born global from day one. So how is this possible? The seamless experience for both Jenny and Yuna comes from one place, a simple, human-readable BDD. You described the perfect experience, and USI AI-OS builds your reality. USI AI-OS, your AI partner for end-to-end operating solution creation. Thank you.